Hey everyone, the Racing Hydra here, back with another CSR2 video. Today we are going to continue where we last left off with the countach. As I promised in the last video, I have put in some restoration parts. Let's go ahead and install these. First is the body. It looks infinitely times better. And let's restore the front. And I believe this is the last part here, it's just the spoiler. And all the, and the extra lights, the logo obviously, and a license plate. That's gonna take 9 hours to restore. Okay, that's a while. Man, just thinking about it. Here, let's go to the dealership real quick. Let's go to Legends. Let's just go ahead and take a look at where we started. We started from this. Absolutely disgusting looking. And now we're at this. Looks infinitely times better. I actually have not driven this car in a while, so... Also, is it just me, or is at the top of the screen the stars glitched? Huh. Well, I fixed it. Okay. With that aside, this car looks absolutely beautiful. Alright, I just wasted 3 minutes just talking about the car and stuff. I do apologize for that. I wonder if we beat this, we will get access to the Jaguar XJ220 or the Selena 7, or both. Let's continue with the Legends Never Die story. I could never imagine a NSX going over 300. Even if someone has been able to make that happen, I highly doubt it's stable at all. Because those NSX variants were produced in like the 90s. 90s to early 2000s. I think. Yeah, I'm 100% sure on the 1990s part, but not the early 2000s. Okay, we are getting a lot of Ferrari parts. And it's all intake 2. Okay. That was probably at least like 6 or 7. Well, after that, let's just keep going. You know, even though it's been about like... Oh, that one's extreme difficulty. Question is, which car is that? I would not be surprised if it's the Countach, because the Countach is severely underleveled. It is the Countach, okay. Do I not have enough money to upgrade? Well, I do. Oh, I have parts. Why are these not installed? Oh, it's probably from, like, the video I made about 3 months ago. Ahem. We are just not really going to talk about that. Okay, it's hard difficulty, but we should be able to do it. To the viewers that see this video, I will try to have a live stream tomorrow. Oh, that's not good. Our top speed is only 201. Yeah, I will try to have a live stream going tomorrow. I won't guarantee it, but I'll try to make it happen. If you are interested, you can join. It's just mostly me just playing CSR2, grinding races to make money, earning crew respect so I can stay in my crew and make minimum. And on the bright side, you guys get to ask me questions about either the game, about general, like what I do, and why I took a 3-month break off YouTube. And I forget that if you get a perfect start with the judge, it completely bottoms out. Alright, we might be at a disadvantage. Okay, Jess, you say that like I'm a complete newbie. Maybe she's calling me a noob. Now, some of you may ask in the comment section on why I am not doing perfect shifts with the 300 SL. After this race, I will show you why. Okay, that was an absolute obliteration. He just got humiliated. You want to see how many components I have? Well, not components, the legend tokens I have for these cars? Hold on. Oh, inventory. Oh, in here they're called components. 24,630 for the XJ220. Yeah, I have a lot of components. Anyway, so 300. Oh, 300 SL. There it is. You know, I actually got to see one of these in real life. They are, man, for this being like, I don't know what year this was built. It has the gull wing doors. It doesn't stay on here. I think it was probably made in around like the 60s to 70s. But I've seen this car in real life, and every single time I see a cool car like the classic cars, I wonder why we deviated from these looks. I just wonder. Not only that, oh, that's actually a pretty big engine for like the 70s. But on certain cars, like example, the 1972 Dodge Challenger Rally, you have so much engine space. If you look up on Google, like any classic car engine bay, you will see how much space you have to work with. Compared to every single engine nowadays, there's no space in the engine bay. Absolutely no space. And fun fact, the reason why they do that, actually, why is this not tuned? Oh, I guess it just doesn't want to be tuned. Anyway, as I was saying, the reason why they do that is so that you can't make the repairs yourself. You have to take it to either the dealership so they can service it and make more money off you, or you have to take it to a mechanic and pay, and most likely get scammed at the mechanic shop. Alright, dyno. Nope. Test run. We'll do the 1/4 mile. Okay. For this car, you will notice a difference. We're going to do all perfect shifts and a perfect start. Or try to. Close enough. Okay, let's see the time we ran. A 9.569. Now, let's do it the other way. We ran a 9.3. This car is faster if you redline. On the left is perfect shifts. Almost perfect shifts. On the right is redlining. Every single stat category is green. Certain cars... Here, let me do another example. What's a good example? Should I use the Hennessy Venom or should I use the NSX? We'll do the Hennessy Venom. This car right here is capable, with the upgrades I have on it right now, of doing the half mile in 7.2 seconds. Fastest I've gotten this thing is 7.201. Okay? So the dyno predicts that the half mile will be 7.382 seconds. Okay, this is half mile. And without driving it the way that I typically do. Now you notice we ran a 7.445. Now, if we do it the way I treat it, or the way I run it, we ran a 7.231. So, the best way I can tell you on knowing if you need to run it differently than the game intends you to run it is just by testing. It depends on the tier, it depends on the car, and it just depends on how it functions. Okay. Well, I put in this restoration part, we just have to wait for it. 9 hours and 11 minutes. That's a while. Okay, so yeah. Tomorrow, I will try to get a live stream going. And I will try to make it 3 hours, about like 3 hours long. Yeah, we'll try to make it 3 hours long. Well, on here, we need to restore 14 cars to get the McLaren F1. Right now, we are doing the countach. So once we get this car done, we will have 6 restored. Any car that you see on this list, I don't have the Selena S7 unlocked, I don't have the Jaguar J20 unlocked, and the Ford GT40, I can unlock it, but I can't buy it. So how that works, let me just explain that. So, garage, Ford. There's this Ford event that utilizes the Raptor, the Mustang GT Premium, and actually I want to see if I can buy this with gold instead of having to pull it out of a crate. Ford. Yeah, so you need the Raptor, the Mustang GT Premium. Let's see if I can find it. It's a Shelby. Yeah, you need this thing. Why does that say a 2005 Ford GT? Hello? This game does not want to function sometimes. Yeah, you need this. The only way you can get it is only from rare imports. Unless there's another version of it. No, that's the only way to get it. So, the GT40 is off the table. So is the XJ20 and the Selena 7. So, out of these cars here, in the comment section, if anyone comments on this video, you have the option between the Corvette, the Shelby, the Cobra, the Plymouth Cuda, the Bugatti EB110, Porsche Carrera GT. Those are your options. Leave a comment down below and let me know which one I should do next. And forgot to close that door. Okay. Well, that's going to wrap up this episode. that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have enjoyed, consider subscribing. I did that out of order. It's been too long. Okay. Let me restart that. This is take 3 for my outro. Yeah, I've been a little too rusty. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed, hit the like button. Attempt number 4. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have enjoyed the video, hit the like button. While you're down there, consider subscribing. And after you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified of any uploads I have. Make sure instead of the notifications being personalized, set them to all so you'll be notified of any video upload, any YouTube short upload, or any post I make. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Was that so hard, me? Also, why is the stars glitched again? Stop that.